Hi kids, welcome back to my channel. Let's draw some candy. Blue color.
Yellow color, yellow color, red color, and pink color, and green color, and orange color, and
Blue color.
blue
Bye. Please like and subscribe. Now again draw
color.
Now draw some cloud in rainbow. Let's color. No. Red color.
Orange color, yellow color, and green color, and blue color, and pink color,
Okay, bye.
blue color.
Okay, bye. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.